Hi, my name is Alake Pilgrim, and I'm the author of Zoe and the Forest of Secrets, an exciting fantasy adventure with futuristic twists set on a Caribbean island. I grew up reading and loving it. Reading was a way to travel to different places and meet people that I had never met before. It was also a way of getting in touch with the culture of my island. So I loved reading stories for kids by Caribbean authors, but I also enjoyed reading fantasy adventures like the Chronicles of Narnia and Ursula K. Le Guin's Earthsea series. I really enjoyed Anansi stories as well and folk tales that we told to each other. I also love books from different parts of the world, like 1001 Nights from the Middle East. Yeah, reading was an amazing way to travel and to connect with people and places that I had never met before. Thank you so much for listening to me talk about reading, one of my favorite things to do. I highly recommend it. Bye!